Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GCP with Mahesh. For the past 2 weeks, we are discussing GCP's Cloud Architect certification, exams, case studies. So we had discussed Terramirth, and last week we had discussed Mount Games. This week we'll discuss Dress4win. So if I click on Dress4win, the case study starts with a company overview, which indicates it's a web-based company which primarily manages personal wardrobe using a web application and a mobile-based application. The current problem which they have is scalability. So they started with a few servers from the founder's garage, and now they are not able to scale, and they want to move to cloud fully. That is what they indicate in the company overview. So, and if we go to the solution concept, what we'll do is we'll use the same practice, copy the text into a presentation and try to go line by line. So the text is copied into the presentation. So let's go one by one. The first thing which strikes here is they want to start with a phased approach. So that is what they are indicating, which is really a good option when you are doing a cloud migration for the first time. So going a phased approach is really good. So let's move on. And in the first phase, what they are trying to move is they are trying to move development and test environment, which is really the good option, I would say, because always start with a non-production environment. So what does this translate to GCP? So this is nothing but GCP's project. So you create a project for development, you create a project for test environment. So along with that, what you may this indicate is you may also have some questions on cloud IAM, because to segregate the permissions, the roles and permissions, you need to use cloud IAM here, and developers should not be able to access a specific set of environment, maybe a staging environment or a test environment. So cloud IAM would be really important just because of this line. Let's move on. The next important thing which also indicates is they also want to have a DR site uh, in cloud. So what does this translate? Again, this should translate to your project. Have a dedicated project called as DR, Dress4win DR, something like that. And definitely this will make sure that you need to work on cloud IAM. But apart from this, what is the most important thing is, because it is a DR, so you need to synchronize the data between on production, the production which is there in on premise, and the DR which is there in GCP. So what does that indicate? Networking. And in specifically in networking, cloud VPN is a important component, and you may get questions on cloud VPN because the data needs to be synchronized. So that is the important thing. So let's move on to the next part. So migrate as is. So what does this strike? So this is nothing but your lift and shift approach. Rehost your uh, workload from on-premise to GCP. So as is, without changing a single line of code or single line of configuration, you should be able to migrate. Good. Let's move on to the next part, which states some components. It's not possible to migrate all the applications, all the workloads as is. So Dress4win is okay to change certain components before migrating. So they are ready to refactor their applications also. So that's it for today. So hope the video was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a video on a specific GCP concept. I'm happy to do that. Thanks for watching.